Hey everybody, welcome to Time is Fluid Art. What I am doing, as promised, going to do the black Excelerator. Now I still have plenty made here, but it has to take time for it to ferment. So in my container here that I have, it's just a glass jar. I just cleaned it up. And on here I have the cell. It's a cell activator / accelerator. I don't make it the same recipe as anybody else, so it's really mine. But okay, first things first, let me get my tablespoon. Okay, it's going to be Floetrol first, 6 tablespoons of Floetrol. Okay. So I like to make a lot of it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'I'm gonna double it, so I'll make it 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alrighty, now double is 12. Now it's going to take 4 tablespoons of the black oxide. So you can get away with it not being that exact. You don't really need to have it like 1, 2, 3. I like doing it on top of the acrylic that I just did, the Floetrol, because it slides out very nicely. Ooh, yeah, you use a lot. Okay, let me get this. Gotta put it down here. Squeeze with both hands. And 4. Okie dokie. Okie doke. Just scoop it out. Now, I'm going to wash this off, so bear with me. Okay, now, dry it off. You do not want to use your Minwax and get it, I mean, stir it a little bit here, get it going. Sometimes you have to use a larger container and then pour it in here, but you know, we're good. Okay, stir, 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 stir. Okay, then a tablespoon of Minwax. The red Minwax. Alrighty, like that. Okay, done with that. Last but not least, acrylic ink. I use about 4 drops of the blue because it ends up looking really cool. Let me just close this up. I don't want it to go bad. I had one go bad one day and nothing worked. Okay. Since we do not have Australian Floetrol, this is a mixture I've come up with for our Floetrol. I'm going to close my cap off here. I may have to put this in a different container, but we'll see. Usually it's pretty good. It mixes very nicely. And yeah, it's going to be pretty soupy because it's not mixed all the way. And then 4 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. To me, it takes the little edge off the black, so it comes out really nice. And what you do is just kind of like stir it up like this. And now, it's funny, last night it got cold in here. It was no humidity. Now my paint, I may have to do less, you know, like loosen it up a little bit by adding a little Floetrol or more Minwax. But I'm not worried about it right now. I will show you what I did yesterday, which is a video, but the items are dried already. Okay, and I'm just going to let this basically cook, if you want to call it that. It's very, I'm not going to reuse this, so let me just toss this. Okay, put my lid on it. And before you know it, it's going to be perfect. I'll mix it up like this, but I'm not going to use it yet. So let me just wipe this. And then let me get my 2 paintings I did yesterday that came out absolutely great. If you watched episode 9, episode 9 gave you the ingredients on getting my cells. And okay, this is one of them. And number 110 is this. This one, look how pretty the gold just sparkles. I love the gold. And here's another one. This one's really the best one. Okay. So I just will be back later on, and I want to try one with my white Excelerator to get these cells. And I will check you all later. Have a great day. Please subscribe and please like. Thank you. Bye-bye.